How to keep loyal customers loyal using email marketing. If your business is not yet using email as a central part of its marketing strategy, you are missing out on one of the most effective forms of marketing there is. Email lets you reach a wide audience of potential customers for very little cost. Read the following video to learn more. Keep your marketing copy on a personal, friendly level. Like it is with many other methods of marketing, you will find more customers willing to do more business with you when you are more personable. For instance, if you are aware of the reason that the person decided to join your email list, mention that reason when you write the email. If you plan on starting a marketing campaign via email, it is vital that you get permission from every single person you plan on contacting. You will lose customers and possibly even your website host if you engage in spam. Even though it should be obvious, it is important enough to state over and over, never send unsolicited emails. You should have explicit permission from everyone you send marketing emails to. This is about more than trying not to upset them. A recipient who considers your email spam can cause trouble for you with your service provider. Be especially careful when crafting your first 3 emails to new customers. A new customer should get an introductory email inviting them to join your marketing list. Once they accept your invitation, the next email should tell them about discounts or special offers they can expect to get now that they've signed up. The third email should contain their first newsletter and their special offer. The more you learn about email marketing, the more you should realize just how effective a marketing technique it can be. Once you start using email to promote your business, you will never turn back. Just remember the techniques you have learned from this video, and your marketing campaign will yield great results. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.